Hey everyone! I built a powerful GitHub user fetcher using Salesforce LWC and Apex integration. Here, users can enter any GitHub username inside the Lightning input field and click on the Fetch User button. While data is loading, a Lightning spinner provides a smooth user experience. Once the API response is received, the component beautifully displays the GitHub profile image, name, username bio, repositories count, followers, following count, company, location, and even a direct link to open the GitHub profile. I created a class called GitHub User Controller with an Aura-enabled cacheable method named FetchGitHubUser. This method accepts the GitHub username from the LWC component. Using the HTTP request class, I'm making a real-time REST API callout to GitHub's public API endpoint. Then I deserialize the JSON response into a map structure and populate a wrapper class called GitHubUserWrapper. The wrapper stores all profile details like login, name, bio, company, repositories, followers, avatar URL, and profile URL. I also implemented proper exception handling for blank usernames, user not found scenarios, and API errors. Here I imported the Apex method. The handle change method dynamically captures the username entered by the user. When the Fetch User button is clicked, the Fetch User method validates the input and calls the Apex method asynchronously. I used promises with then, catch, and finally blocks for better handling of success, errors, and loading states. If data is fetched successfully, it is stored inside the tracked user data property. In case of errors, toast messages are displayed instantly using showToast event. The template contains Lightning input and Lightning button components for user interaction. Using conditional rendering with template if, the spinner and profile details appear dynamically based on the component state. The GitHub avatar image, profile information, repository statistics, company details, and profile link are all bound dynamically using LWC data binding expressions.